Welcome to Learn Instantly. Master lessons at the speed of thought. Do you want to teach someone how to read instantly? Whether you're a teacher, a parent, or just helping someone learn, this video will show you the easiest way to teach reading step by step. Let's get started. Before reading words, beginners must know letter sounds, not just letter names. Say A as in a, apple. B as in b, ball. C as in k, cat. Use flashcards or fun games to help them remember. Step 2. Teach blending sounds into words. Teach them to blend sounds into words. Start with simple words like k, a, t, cat, d, o, g, dog. Encourage them to say the sounds slowly, then faster. Step 3. Teach sight words. Some words can't be sounded out. These are sight words like the, and, is, you, and many more. Practice these daily so they can recognize them instantly. Step 4. Read simple sentences. Now, combine everything into short sentences. Start with the cat is big. I see a dog. Encourage them to point at each word as they read. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.